Hi. Okay. Here's what we're going to use today. Elmer's clear glue. You can use any kind of Elmer's glue. Multi-purpose. Okay, I can't read. So that's the kind of solution we will need. It has to be this kind. And 1 tablespoon of baking soda. I'm gonna try these two. Pink. Actually purple and red. I'm gonna try them. Okay. So here we go. I'm doing my bowl. Hang on, just like 1 sec. Okay, back. Okay, I'm gonna use a spoon to stir. I'm gonna need something to put it in and some stir. Now, if you're using a whole bottle of glue, you're gonna need to use 1 tablespoon. Depends on how many bottles of glue you use, how many tablespoons of baking soda. So here we go. I'm probably not gonna use this whole thing, cause I'm not sure. Now, I was going to. This is my first video, so just yeah. I used that much. I might just use some more. Now, I have to do something to make this. Tablespoon of baking soda. Let me get that. Hang on. Put it in. Okay. Let me do one thing. Now, I'm just trying to see how these colors go out good. Let's see. Okay, I'm mainly going to use red, okay? Might turn out pink, but who cares? Oh, I'm not going to tell you how much contact solution. I'm just going to add some. And let's do it. It will, if you use the right kind contact solution, it will instantly start clumping up. See? Look at that. I'm going to need some more contact solution because there's so much more glue. And yeah. Let's keep on stirring. Now, I mixed purple and red, and that color. It is a bad color. And I put it in this to try it out. So yeah, look at that. Now you might want to take.
Are you a YouTuber now?
Shut up. And you might just want to move that into a corner and just get the rest and put it in the other corner and just stir it, because it's honestly it's starting to clump up. I still had some glue. Look at that. I don't think you can see, but look. There. That's what mine looks like. Looks so much fun to play with. Let's pick up all that. I'm not just that confessing. Okay, hang on. Personally, this is my first video. I think I told you that in the beginning. But yeah, I'm going to start playing with it. Ooh, look at that. Now, it's going to stick to you, but that, it's fine. I think, yeah. I think it just needs some more contact solution. Okay, guys. So I'm putting that. And yes. Someone asked me a question. I'm going to start becoming a YouTuber. Maybe. I'm not sure. Like I said, 3rd time. First video. Look at this. It's so much fun. Now I see why us kids are obsessed with it. Now you just want to play with it for a little bit. Sorry if I'm talking too fast. Just really happy I've never owned some that has felt like this. No! And I just dropped it. And that one. So yeah, that's good. It is good. Look at that. But here's a closer look. Alright guys, I have had so much fun doing this with y'all. Heck, there's still some in this bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and make another video right now about slime. It's only going to be 2 recipes. Okay, this is October 27th, 2017, 10-27-17. So I hope y'all like this video. Please subscribe. This is so much fun. Just like, okay, this might not be Phil's, this might be Phil's, you never know. It's going to be glue. Alright, actually I'm going to do 3. Okay. But this is recipes. Glue and contact solution. And yeah, that doesn't work. I'll just add baking soda. And I'm going to use dye. This next video I'm going to use purple, okay? Bye. I hope y'all liked it. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Bye.